Mother Nature like, how the fuck you doing that, Max? Trust me, I do a lot of shit like I'm doing much less. Got the mindset of DJ Khaled, I'm doing what's best. It's been body bags after body bags, so who is up next?
E aí, DJ GM, é mandrake na voz.
Ladies and gentlemen, how you guys doing? Thank you for tuning in and welcome back once again. Yes, you are tuned in on Mr. J Official Reactions channel number 2. If you don't know who this is, they call me Mr. J. And I do drop reactions and any genre of music around the world, man. Yo, we about to go back to Brazil. I'm about to go back to Brazil, man. So many of my homies back there like, yo, you not talking about us. What it do? Yo, I'm about to show them some love. You dig? We about to talk about this track called Acredita, Believe, by this dope MC, man. MC Paulin da Capital featuring DJ JM. Hit that subscribe button. Brazil, yeah, here, Brazil. Do the bang. Yo, we about to hit it. Let's not talk too much. Let me get into it. Let's go. Papa Tunes Records, let's go.
Quando te falarem que você não vai vencer, pode ter certeza que isso tudo é mentira.
Mentira.
Fé no poderoso pra tu ver que ele orienta e abençoa a tua vida.
Whenever they tell you that you will not make it, you will not be success, you will not succeed, I want you to believe that all of this is a lie. Put your faith in and let me prove it to you that you gonna make it. Facts. So many people like to tell people, you're not gonna make it, you're not blah blah blah. You don't even know, you're not even the maker, you're not even their God. You see, that's the problem with human beings. We try to play God all the time.
Deposita fé no poderoso pra tu ver que ele orienta e abençoa a tua vida. Se tiver perdido é só você.
Put your faith in the most powerful and you see, he's talking about God. He's gonna orientate your life. Facts. Fuck any human being trying to tell you you're not gonna make it.
Pra ele, parece que não, mas ele sempre tá te ouvindo.
Facts.
Tá ouvindo a prece desses maloqueiros. Acredita.
Sometimes you pray and looks like God is not listening to you, but he's always watching. Isn't it true that sometimes we feel like we are left out in the cold, dry? Like you get yourself in the jam, it's like God doesn't exist. Bro, no, he's testing you. Don't ever doubt it. He said, put your faith in the most powerful and you see. Facts.
Aquele que sempre te deu a mão, aquele que sempre deu proteção, Senhor. Acredita naquele que sempre te deu valor, naquele que sempre te ajudou, Senhor.
Believe in He who always gives you protection, who always gives you a hand, who always helps you. God, this is a gospel song. This is a gospel rap. You dig? My man is coming from hardship and he made it, bro. If you've ever lived in Brazil, you will understand certain things. And certain people, when they sing certain things, they come from a certain class in society in Brazil. It's not easy. Acreditar, cara. Deus é forte, Deus é fiel e Deus sempre... Cara, tem tempo que você acha que sua vida já tá acabando? É quando Deus vai funcionar em tua vida. Em sério, você vai ver. The beat though. Trust and believe in the guy who always shows you love, who always gives you protection. And who is that person? Human beings gonna fail you, your creator. A touchy track is a very powerful, like just to recollect, just to reminisce of how far you've been and where you're going through, the hustle, the struggle, and to make it where you at. I think MC Paulin da Capital is just doing that.
Quando te falarem que você não vai vencer, pode ter certeza que isso tudo é mentira. Deposita fé no poderoso pra tu ver que ele orienta e abençoa a tua vida. Se tiver perdido é só você ligar pra ele.
Put your faith in the most powerful, the most high God. He's gonna orientate and he's gonna shape your life, make your life better.
Esse que não, mas ele sempre tá te ouvindo. Tá ouvindo a prece desses maloqueiros. Acredita naquele que sempre te deu a mão, naquele que sempre deu proteção. Senhor, acredita naquele que sempre te deu valor, naquele que sempre te ajudou. Senhor.
It takes a whole lot for human beings to actually believe that there is actually somebody watching over them. And sometimes things happen to some of us. We think like it's coincidence. No, bro. I do not believe in coincidence. Whatever you do brings whatever you get. That's what I think of. And when you show remorse, you don't have to go to no church. No, bro. This is powerful, man. This is touching. Touching. Ladies and gentlemen, that was MC Paulin da Capital, DJ GM, man. Acredita, believe. I'm not too holy, I'm not too Christian, but I will say this. The universe has a wonderful way to come through for you. Just believe. You dig? Whenever they tell you you ain't gonna make it, tell them to go jump off a cliff. You dig? Big up to the fan. Yo, we're gonna start talking about a whole lot of Brazilian song on this channel too. I mean, tune in. Brazil, come through, man. Show love. Bless.
If you see me in the streets, better holler at me. Seeking for a beat, throw them dollars at me. I don't like defeat, take that away from me. You tryna be like me, you couldn't handle my story. But we gon' let you know, we gon' let you know. We gon' let you know, we gon' let you know.